The exterior of this double stud net zero assembly is very similar to a standard construction. We treat this exterior wall as if it was just a standard construction wall. So we've used a Typar WRB, and then we just have to make sure that we have the proper lapping for flashing and drip cap flashing. So when installing this window, it's the same as installing a standard construction window. We used a sloped sill, used a sloped sill, and then we have to have shims wherever the window manufacturer requires some sort of structural piece underneath it. With this, it's the same sort of sill flashing as we've done, where we used a peel and stick membrane, one across the bottom that comes up the sides a little bit. It gets cut and draped down. Then we do a butterfly corner that makes sure that that corner is nice and closed up, so there's no opening there for water to get into. And then one piece of peel and stick up the side that just drapes over and gets sealed and makes sure that everything is nice and watertight there.